Want to make some money but have no skills? Don't worry, you're watching the perfect video. Today, I will show you how you can go from zero to your first $2,000 paid directly to your bank account, regardless of where you're from and your experience level, because a complete beginner can do this. Just grab your device, check your internet is working, and pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can get paid through using Instagram, even if you don't have any followers to begin with. Since this is a bit of a complex strategy with many platforms involved, I highly recommend that you keep watching and stay tuned. Otherwise, this will not work for you and you'll just get confused. Anyhow, as I said, we have many platforms to go over, so let's get right into it. The very first site you will need to go to and sign up for is called fameswap.com. This is basically a place where you can purchase Instagram accounts with a decent following, ranging from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of followers, and we will get back into this website later on in this video. For now though, what you want to do is click on the register button in the upper right corner, and on the following page, they will ask you to enter your username, email address, password, which you will also need to confirm, and finally, choose your country of origin. This platform is worldwide and it will work in your country no matter where you're from. Anyhow, to finish the process, just click on I'm not a robot and finally on the register button. The next website which you will need to go over to is called Linktree, which you will also need to sign up for. This is a place where you can create a landing page, and on that landing page, you can leave multiple links to various different sites, which is what makes this website so useful. If you want to share multiple links with people, you would normally have to give them out one by one, but thanks to Linktree, you can now share multiple links with just one click to your landing page. To sign up to this website, you want to click on Get Started for Free, and on the next page, just enter your username, email, and password. By the way, the username you enter will determine the link to your landing page as well, so choose wisely. To finish this process and sign up, just tick the box and click on Sign Up with Email, and that's it. You now have an account on Linktree. Now that you have an account on Linktree, you want to leave this website because we will be returning to this website later on. You now want to go to the next site we will be using today, and this is none other than the famous Google.com. What you will want to do on Google is search for articles in a particular niche. The niche that you search for should be one that can be useful and helpful to people. Also, the niche you want to search for should also be one that is quite popular on Instagram. For example, you can focus on the business niche, the animal niche, a healthy lifestyle niche, a tech niche. The possibilities are endless. You just have to focus on the niche being popular because the popularity will directly determine how much or how little money you can make with this strategy. As an example, I will be going over the weight loss and fitness niche, which is hugely popular on Instagram. So is therefore a great example to show you guys. What I would do on Google now is search for stuff like how to lose weight fast or how to gain muscle and so on. If you were in the online business niche, for example, you would search stuff like how to make money online passively. As I said before, regardless of your niche, you want to search for helpful and useful articles that people will gain value from. Here is what you have to do now. Open up 3 or 4 articles at the very least and go over to Google to search for different keywords within the niche you are focusing on, and hopefully you will be able to find good articles that are all somewhat different. Once you find a good few of those articles, you will now leave them open as we will come back to them later. Now, you want to go over to the next website that we will be using today. This website is called UII.io. What this is basically a website that will shorten long links for you, and every time someone clicks on one of those links, they will see a bunch of ads first, and then go to the actual site. The ad revenue is then split between the website and yourself. In essence, this website gets you paid whenever someone clicks on one of your shortened links. The reason we are using this website and not some other one that is quite similar is because I found that UII.io pays comparatively well to other websites. It's one of the highest paying link shortening services you can find. But you can still use any link shortening website that you would like, even though I highly recommend using this one instead. As some of you may have already guessed, the very first thing that you want to do once you have come onto this site is to sign up. To do so, just click on Sign Up Free and just enter your username, email, and password. You will then have to agree to the terms and conditions and finally click Register to finish this process. Once you log into your brand new account on this website, it's now time to go back over to one of those articles. What you want to do is copy a link to one of those guides. Come back over to this website, click on New Shortened Link, and paste the URL into the box. This will shorten the link for you, and whenever someone clicks on this link, you get paid. Simple as that. Once you shorten your first link, you now want to go back to Linktree. Click on Add New Link and paste the URL, and then give it a title. The title can be the same as the title of the article whose link you shortened. You will then repeat this process for all the articles that you found before. What you have now done is created a sort of income for yourself, because whenever someone clicks a link from your Linktree because they are interested in your particular link, you will be getting paid. Also, since you will be sharing multiple articles and not just one, the amount of money you can potentially earn is multiplied several times. So instead of making like $5 per 1,000 clicks, you will get paid $15 to $20 per 1,000 clicks. This is why this strategy is so incredibly powerful. The only piece of the puzzle missing now is the actual traffic, and the traffic source for us will be Instagram. You will now be going back to the first website that I showed you and find an account that is not too expensive but has a decent number of followers. Yes, I know you don't like hearing this, but sometimes the best way to make money online is to invest a tiny bit. On this site, you can find accounts with like 20 to 30,000 followers selling for just $50 to $100, which is definitely not a lot. And here's why. Just 5,000 of those followers checking out your landing page would already return your investment of $50 to $100 to you. In addition, what you can do when you have a decently big Instagram page is that you can sell shoutouts. You can even charge $10 per shoutout. So for example, 10 shoutouts would already return you the $100 you have invested. As you can see, guys, this does have enormous potential to make you money. With just the shoutouts alone, you can make quite a bit, and if you combine that with your Linktree page that you will share in your bio, you can expect to literally earn hundreds of dollars that will eventually turn into thousands in completely passive income. As you guys already know, make sure to leave a like down below if you haven't already. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. See you soon!